Hey, this is Garm from rainchains.com. This is our origami chain in stainless steel. Really cool, modern looking chain. I'm just going to show you today how to put it together. And basically, I've already taken the nuts off of this one here. There's no linking wires. It basically just goes piece to piece. So some people have a little bit of trouble doing it straight on like this because sometimes the screws don't line up. This one seems to be going on okay. But if you have any trouble doing it that way, then try it perpendicular. Put it through both holes that way. It'll always go on sideways. And then you can put your screws on here, just like this, both sides. Remember, it's perpendicular. And then you can straighten it out. I'll do the next one here as well. Let's just say that we're trying to put it straight on. We're having a little trouble there getting it to line up. So we turn it this way. We do it perpendicular, just like that. And that goes on very nicely. Put the screws on here. There's one side. Here's the other side. And put this one back on here. And then once we've straightened it out, because it does articulate, you can finish tightening the screws. We recommend a drop of Loctite on the thread sealant there. Make sure that these never come off. And there, you just keep going until you have finished your chain. There's the origami. Thanks a lot for watching.